Hello, this is a short video explanation of the RotoBoulder puzzle I made recently. In this video I'll show you a quick solving process and I'll show you how it turns in the meantime. So first, to scramble it, you have to align these center blocks like this, so you get this 6-fold symmetry on this big grip. And now you can turn in 60-degree increments, and after turn you can align the puzzle in a different axis, like here, do another 60-degree turn, and so on. Sometimes a 180-degree rotation can be done as well, because that's also 60-degree plus or minus 120 degrees, so it's an effective scramble. I'll just do some random turns, line under axis. You just do this for a while. I'll show you soon that it doesn't have too many scrambled states, because the puzzle is very restrictive on the pieces, so it's quite an easy solve actually, even though the axis system and the general behavior is very weird. So I think I'll claim that as a scrambled puzzle. So for the solution, first you want to solve these corners, and for that you want to have two of these stickers to have the same non-silver color. So for example, let's start with these reds. You have one of these reds like on the corner of this block. So for example, I'll make this also a side color like this with a 60-degree turn, and now this is a corner block with red on the side. So in these two turns, these two are now adjacent, and wouldn't you know, if I move this to a corner block like this, the rest of these, what's happening here? Yep, it's a bit confusing because now these are not paired yet correctly, but now they should be, except this one isn't aligned like this. Yeah, now I can, because this is 6-fold symmetry, so now I can do this 60-degree turn, and now this is the white corner block, and you can turn these faces without problem. Nice. And as I was saying, these blocks are now all solved, not just locally but globally. They can't switch places actually, so once you solve these two corners, everything else will be automatically solved as well, which is very unusual for puzzles to have these kind of restrictions, but you can think of it as good news for the solving experience. So now I usually solve these edges between two corners. This one's already solved just by chance, so let's do the rest. So to insert edges between these corners, it's useful to make these or to put these in edge positions. So for example, if I want to solve this edge, the maroon white, I will take this edge out, so I have it in hand, and insert it just like that. And now this corner block is also solved. So this one, blue pink, is on the top, perfect. So I will make this available slot, insert it. The last one is this one. Its edge is in the wrong place, so I'll take it out and insert it to this place, like that. Now the puzzle has been reduced to an ivy cube or triple Spirowings or whatever you want to call it. So let's see, for example, here's this blue, where's the purple side here, nice. So these two edges are in a good place now, and as you would know, it's solved already. So as you could see, it was a very quick solve. The restrictions are that two of these corners position determines the rest, and for these edges you can't swap only two of these, and you can't flip one edge only in pairs, which is very much like ivy cubes and things like that. So that was the video, and thanks for watching.